All right, Ismail, we watched a game together today. Arsenal, top of the league, 5 points clear. Can you believe how well Arsenal season's going right now?
Yeah, it was a very unexpected season. At the beginning of the season, I thought we were going to be Champions League contenders, and now we're really going up for the league.
Do you think we can win it?
Yeah, with the confidence on how we're playing right now. Maybe in the World Cup period, when you come back and play West Ham, it might be a distraction to the team.
So tell me this, right? Do you think we can still win the league without making a signing, or do you want to see Arsenal go and make 1 or 2 signings in the January transfer window?
I want to see Arsenal make some few signings, like maybe Michael Mudryk, the one playing at Shakhtar Donetsk. He's doing really good in the Champions League and in the Ukrainian league. And I want a midfielder in the team as well for squad depth, because we can't always rely on Xhaka and Partey because they always get injured.
So do you have any midfielders in mind that you want? Because I want Jude Bellingham, but that's unrealistic, especially in January. So do you have anyone?
Maybe Yuri Tielemans. He's doing really good this season. And yeah, him, maybe, I don't know, just him.
Well, Tielemans has scored some bangers this season, so that's not a bad shout. And what did you make of today? Who's your man of the match?
I think it was Morten Ødegaard. He's been fantastic today. 2 goals. What really more can you ask for?
Yeah, he was brilliant today. Who else impressed you? Who else do you think had a good game today?
Vieira was all right. He just had some few sloppy passes to Martinelli that went too far, but he was all right.
Cool. And he got subbed on when Xhaka got injured, and then he also got subbed off. Do you have any idea? Why do you think that was that he got subbed off?
I think Xhaka had some at the end.
Yeah.
Vieira, I don't know why. I think he hasn't got the stamina.
Okay, fair enough. And another question I want to ask you. At the end, you and I were watching it, and we saw after the final whistle, Zinchenko and Ben White, they were sort of like pulling each other's shirts or something, and this is after the game had finished. What did you make of that? Was that like an argument, or were they just having a bit of fun together?
At first, I thought they were gonna go after each other, and then Ben White started slapping him in his head with joy, and then they were both laughing. So then they were both happy.
Cool. So it's all calm, all good, no problems. All right, listen, Ismail, brilliant commentary on the game. Arsenal going to win the league, yeah?
Yeah.
Wicked. Cool. Cheers, man.